creepy. It was calculated, repetitive.
First on the night team, Aaron Thomas acquitted. The former North Kingstown coach found not guilty of felony sex charges. Good to have you with us tonight. I'm Patrice Wood.
And I'm Dan Jady, but he's not walking away clean. Tonight we're hearing from the attorney for the victims that testified, as well as another victim. The night team's Leanna Falk is working the story live in Wakefield tonight. Leanna?
Yeah, Dan, Patrice, the jury's decision means Aaron Thomas will not have to register as a sex offender, but those 2 misdemeanor charges still carry up to 2 years behind bars.
Not guilty, guilty, not guilty, guilty.
A dramatic end to a 6-week trial. A jury found Aaron Thomas guilty of 2 counts of misdemeanor battery, but acquitted him on felony sexual assault charges.
It's affirmation that indeed criminal misconduct was committed.
Tim Conlon represents several former student athletes in a civil suit against the former North Kingstown basketball coach and multiple school administrators. Over 28 years, investigators say Thomas performed what he called fat tests on hundreds of boys. Student athletes invited to strip naked so he could touch their inner thighs.
Behavior wasn't just creepy. It was calculated, repetitive. It felt like it left a lot of us violated.
This former North Kingstown student graduated in 2006. He did not testify during the trial, but he tells NBC 10 Thomas also started performing fat tests on him the summer going into 9th grade. He called the verdict a slap in the face to those who testified.
It is what it is. You know, there are some positives out of it. It's not like he's completely got off, but I did expect a different outcome, honestly.
Thomas was charged in 2022 after 2 students came forward. His attorney pleased with Monday's verdict.
We are very satisfied that the jury saw the case as we saw it. No sexual intent whatsoever.
Meanwhile, the case is raising bigger questions for victims and their attorneys.
Does the school district have equal or greater responsibility for Coach Thomas's actions?
The professional system, which is far bigger and far more powerful than any one individual, has to take responsibility for protecting kids.
Now, Thomas is due back in court June 26 for sentencing. The civil case is ongoing, and the Attorney General is urging lawmakers to put forth some type of legislation to increase the statute of limitations for cases like this. Live in Wakefield, Leanna Falk, NBC 10 News, 19.